हाँ वीडियो शुरू हो गई। और बताना चाहिए था ना। हाय गाइस, हाउ यू डूइंग? सॉरी थोड़ा लेट हो गया, वो एक्चुअली ये नया इंटर्न रखा है ना, आंखें मत दिखा, फायर कर दूंगा। एनीवे टुडे, एक तो ये भाई तुमने आजकल देखा ही होगा, बहुत फनी ट्रेंड चल रहा है विच इज द केक ट्रेंड। आई डोंट नो इफ यू गाइस नो अबाउट इट, बट बेसिकली द केक ट्रेंड इज वेयर पीपल आर एक्चुअली मेकिंग थिंग्स इनटू केक्स विच आर यूजुअली समथिंग एल्स। फॉर एग्जांपल एक एग प्लांट वो एक्चुअली में केक होगा। माइंड ब्लोइंग। मैं उसी के हिसाब से देख रहा था, सो सडनली आई सॉ दिस पिक्चर एंड देन ग्रू अ होल न्यू आइडिया इन माई हेड। वी आर गोना टॉक अबाउट इंस्टाग्राम editors. आखिर ये है कौन लोग? These are people who have their pages on Instagram and what they do is they earn money by giving their service to people, which will be like people who want their pictures edited in any way, shape or form, which is like Photoshop or something. तो अगर किसी को चाहिए कि मेरे यहाँ पर सन हो तो तुम वो डाल दो, किसी को चाहिए बस मेरे बेसिक कलरिंग ठीक कर दो तो वो कर देते हैं। Now all these kind of professional editors जो होते हैं, जो बड़ी बड़ी मैगजीन्स हायर करती है करते, वो करते हैं they are utter crap। इन लोगों के सामने वो कुछ नहीं है। काइली जेनर भाड़ में जाए, उनका जो फोटोशॉप वाला वो तो कुछ भी नहीं है। असली फोटोशॉप किंग्स, I would say kings, इनने तो भाई मतलब होली ग्रेल बना ली है। So today we're gonna see what they have actually done, how they edit their pictures and if their pictures are actually worth giving money for. So we'll get right into it. And here we are with the first one, the original picture which actually gave me the idea to turn it into a video. This guy is one of the many thousands we are going to see, actually not thousands, maybe 2 or 3, but one of them is B-Boy Bunty. Applause everybody, applause everybody. B-Boy Bunty. आखिर ये बंदा है कौन? This guy is another one of those, and I would say the main startup initiator of these editors. So we're gonna see the first picture he made, which is apparently is a cake. Quite a nice editing I would say, and best होती है इनकी captions। देखो मेरे को ना ये बात से कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता कि तुम्हें हिंदी आती है, तुम्हें इंग्लिश आती है, बट तुम्हें जो भी लैंग्वेज आती है ना, कम से कम उस लैंग्वेज का प्रयोग करो। तुम्हें दूसरी लैंग्वेज में बोलना ही क्यों है जब तुम्हें आती नहीं? आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड। एंड मोस्ट ऑफ 90% ऑफ द कैप्शन यू गोना सी इन दीज पिक्चर्स और व्हाटएवर इज गोना बी atrocious. So let's laugh together and see what he has actually written. Bite me, I am back full on power. Show your love and support. Okay, like whatever. But it's a very weird clip. Like, why would you start licking your lips like that? Like, that's such a weird way to lick your lips. But anyway, this was just the initiator. This was the thing that initially started my whole idea of this video. So I thought I'll just put it in. There's nothing that great about this picture anyway. It's just a weird picture with a really weird smile and a really weird pose. But this is like the Chapdi style fuckboy I always keep talking about. So, hey. If you're into this, contact B-Boy Bunty, you know. Here we have another one, the Ankush Chakraborty. The Ankush Chakraborty. Like there's only one. There's nobody else with this name. And अगर होगा भी तो वो नकली है क्योंकि यही असली है. And let's see Mr. Ankush की picture. He has 2 other Ankushes on his shoulder, as everybody does, right? And what is this caption? Let me read. Angle and Demon inspired by Tom and Jerry. Okay, first of all, what is angle? Angel और angle में बहुत difference होता है. How can you fuck such a small thing up? You had just one job. And look at his shirt. What does it say? Boys do cry, just not out of their eyes. तो क्या? Another Mr. Ankush Chakraborty exclusive we have here, which is apparently he is grabbing a heart. But let's see the caption. Ever found a broken? If you found, that means it needs you. Broken what? How hard is it to actually tell people what is broken? मतलब तुम क्या मिस्ट्री रख रहे थे कि हाँ भाई हम ना पिक्चर ध्यान से देखेंगे, हम पिक्चर से बताएंगे क्या ब्रोकन है। क्या वो ग्लास ब्रोकन है क्योंकि उससे हाथ निकल रहा है? क्या वो दिल ब्रोकन है क्योंकि उसका दिल टूटा है? क्या वो शर्ट के बटन टूटे हैं क्योंकि वो शर्ट इतनी ज्यादा खुली हुई है? आई डोंट नो. But if you know, do put it in the comment section below. Then we have Ankush Chakraborty, the man, the myth, the legend. Even Bear Grylls cannot stand up in front of him. Why? Because he can fight a shark. In fact, fuck fighting a shark, he can take a selfie in a shark's mouth. Of course, देखो जो Kardashian family अगर वो editing करते भी है, they try to make it a bit more realistic. When people try to get these edited, what is so realistic about clicking a selfie in a shark's mouth? Like, are you trying to be a daredevil or are you just trying to be weird? And look at the funny part. He is doing a selfie pose, but of course, अगर तुम मर भी रहे हो, अगर तुम शार्क के मुंह में हो, ये नहीं कि तुम बचो, तुम पहले अपना हेयर स्टाइल सेट कर लो, तुम गॉगल्स पहनो और शार्क बोले भाई एक सेकंड हाँ अब खा ले मुझे. It's so fucking weird. Why would somebody get this edited? Like what are these edits? And then the sequel to the shark picture. We have a sequel. Yes, right. The sequel is Mr. Ankush Chakraborty is actually fighting the shark underwater of everything. This time it's underwater. He didn't give up. He didn't get eaten. You thought he would get eaten? Nah, no. How can he get eaten? He's Ankush Chakraborty. Do you know who that is? Of course he would survive and of course he beat up the shark. I'm sure the next picture would be him in a fish market selling that shark, but who knows? Then coming back to B-Boy Bunty, the cool boy of the house, the main celebrity. Like if Ankush Chakraborty was Varun Dhawan, B-Boy Bunty is Big B, Amitabh Bachchan, you know, like he's that kind of level. So here we have B-Boy Bunty doing his own stitches. Fuck doctors ना, मतलब डॉक्टर तो ऐसे पागल बैठे हुए हैं. आओ ये ऐसे हाँ भाई वो दिल टूट गया मेरा. Look at this picture, it's so fucking deep. The girl might have broken his heart and then he's like, oh fuck it man, I'll just replace my heart. And I'm like, shit, निकाला, फेंका. He's so fucking badass. And look at the caption because I'm going to show you something else. The caption is best pick ever. Not best pick, best pick ever. Of course, you must be thinking, yeah, fine, he must have made a mistake. And okay, I'll give him the benefit of the doubt that he made a mistake. ठीक है, दे दिया. Now, he posted the picture again. Now, if you're posting it for the second time, you would make sure that the edits are right, the colors are right, everything right. Let's see the second picture. Here we have the second picture and it's fixing the scares you left. Fixing the scares, not scars. No, not scars. Scares you left. It's so deep, very deep. It makes me think, what is scarce? Was her love scarce? Don't think it's a typo. No, it's not a typo. He's just trying to be deeper than usual. So let's see what else B-Boy Bunty can do. You must know many actors, and if you're a Potterhead, you must have seen Harry Potter the movie, right? And there was an actor in that known as Daniel Radcliffe. Now, if I had to tell you, there's actually another Daniel Radcliffe. He's an Indian and he's also quite popular. In fact, he's better than Daniel Radcliffe. He's better looking and his name is slightly different. Denial Radcliffe. Denial Radcliffe. How hard is it to how hard is it to actually name a person? Can't you just search on Google and write it? What is Denial Radcliffe? Like sometimes I feel like he's doing this on purpose so that I make a video on this. But trust me, if this is content, I'm definitely gonna make a video on this. Okay, now we have another masterpiece. You must have heard about Messi. You must have heard about Ronaldo. But I'll tell you, there is a better footballer out there. You don't believe me? I'm telling. अरे यार मान लो यार मेरी बात. Why? Because B-Boy Bunty, not only can he sue his heart with his own hands, he can also play football in the middle of the San Francisco street. Don't believe me? Look here. So he's gonna kick the ball and look at that damn flexibility. Like he doesn't even have to wear any kind of sports equipment, some jerseys, some shorts. No. B-Boy Bunty ain't about that shit. He'll just go into the playground and just be like, oh, I'm gonna wear my slim fit jeans and I'm just gonna fuck these kids up. And how does he do that? Let me tell you. Look at this caption. He says, don't ask about the pose. No. You was learn where? I was there. You was learn where? भाई कहने की क्या कोशिश कर रहे हो?
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
I was there. You were where? Where I learned there, then what? What happened when there, then what this? I don't understand till now. अगली बार काटा ना तो काट डालूंगा. B-Boy Bunty threatening an apple, because obviously apples have teeth, and obviously when an apple bites you, your body turns into an apple, as we can see here. And I like how his arm is like 80% bitten, yet he's still able to do all these movements, and yet he's still trying to threaten an apple rather than going to the fucking hospital. Like, dude, you're half eaten. And with such a small mouth, how did the apple gauge such a huge hole in his body? It doesn't make any sense. But so doesn't life, and that is what B-Boy Bunty is trying to tell you. Don't think anything different. And here, मतलब तुमने रामायण देखी है? Let me tell you, जो तुमने देखा ना वो बकवास है, सब भूल जाओ. क्यों? नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. भगवान सब सही है, ये वो है. बट जो राम थे ना, भगवान राम की जो पिक्चर है वो एकदम गलत है. Why? I'll tell you. Because according to B-Boy Bunty, look at this picture. B-Boy Bunty was the one who defeated Ravan. Everybody applause, bhai, applause. अगर बी बॉय बंटी पास्ट में जाके रावण को नहीं मारा होता, आज हम यहाँ नहीं हो। आज सीता को किसने बचाया होता? सीता को किसी ने नहीं, सिर्फ बी बॉय बंटी ने बचाया था। ही इज द ट्रू लॉर्ड ऑफ अयोध्या। मैं तो ये भी कहने को तैयार, बिकॉज बी बॉय बंटी एज वी कैन सी एकदम हेडशॉट लिया है तीर कमान से, एंड जिस टाइम पे टी शर्ट होती भी नहीं थी उस टाइम पे बी बॉय बंटी टी शर्ट लिए, मीन्स बी बॉय बंटी कैन ऑल्सो ट्रेवल इन टाइम। यू थॉट ही हैड नो अदर सुपर पावर्स, आई एम टेलिंग यू he has. Not only is he regenerable, because obviously if he cannot feel pain, he is stronger than Wolverine, of course, because he can stitch himself and also get bitten and just regenerate. But also he is also a footballer. Don't forget that he is a top-notch Ballon d'Or winning footballer as well. He is a god. B-Boy Bunty is the god. So do not disrespect him. I'm a huge fan, okay? I'm a B-Boy Buntian. So guys, this was my review of these Instagram editors. They're all flourishing in quarantine. Nobody knows what to do anymore. So if you guys liked the video, please like, share, subscribe, and obviously please share because it would mean a lot to me. And भाई views भी नहीं आ रहे यार। एक तो अच्छा बन के आ रहा होता है यहाँ पर वीडियो बना रहा होता है यार, views कौन देगा? So anyway guys, if you like my commentary on this video and you like the video overall, do give it a like, do share, do comment also. I like an engaging audience, and I'll see you later.